Welcome back, my YouTube channel worth old coin value. Today, we've got something unbelievable to talk about. Stick around because today's story is about the coin 10 euro cent 2002 coin from Germany and how it could possibly be worth $5 million. Yes, you heard that right, $5 million. So, let's dive in and explore the mystery behind this incredible coin first. Let's get familiar with the coin we're talking about. This is the 10 euro cent 2002 from Germany. It's a coin that's part of the very first series of coins issued after the euro was introduced. Now, it's not just any ordinary coin you'd find in your pocket. This coin was designed to represent Germany's connection to Europe while showcasing national symbols. On the front, you'll see Germany's map along with the Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of unity, peace, and history. Since this is a common 10 euro cent coin from 2002, you might be wondering, how could this possibly be worth millions? Well, here's where things get interesting now. The 10 euro cent 2002 coin isn't just valuable because of its design. There's something unique about it. Some of these coins were released with a minting error. In 2002, a small number of these coins were struck incorrectly. These errors were caused by an issue during the production process, which resulted in misaligned designs, wrong text, or even overstamped details. Coins with minting errors are often considered much more valuable by collectors. Even small mistakes can result in huge price tags because they're so rare. When something is as unique as a minting error, it can make a seemingly normal coin incredibly valuable. So, why could this coin be worth $5 million? Well, it all comes down to demand and rarity. As with any rare item, when something like this coin shows up on the market, collectors go wild. And because these error coins are so rare, they can fetch incredibly high prices. But here's the kicker. There are rumors that a few of these coins have made their way into private collections and could be worth upwards of $5 million when they're sold at auction. While it's hard to pinpoint exactly why this coin is so expensive, it's safe to say that its rarity, along with the minting error, is what drives the price sky high. Now, you might be wondering, how can I find one of these rare coins myself? Well, the good news is it's possible, but it's not easy. Collectors spend a lot of time searching through rolls of coins from circulation or purchasing coins from reliable dealers to find these hidden treasures. One key tip is to look for misprints, errors in the design, and coins that look different from the rest. A slight misalignment in the image or text could be the gold mine you're looking for. Also, remember that the condition of the coin matters a lot. The better the condition, the higher its potential value. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. In the past, rare error coins have gone for hundreds of thousands of dollars at auction. In fact, there's one auction that sold a German euro coin with a minting error for more than $1 million. So, the idea of a 10 euro cent 2002 coin reaching a value of $5 million isn't entirely out of the realm of possibility. Now, if you're on the hunt for rare coins, here are a few other euro coins that have made collectors' jaws drop. There's the rare 2 euro coin with an error from Italy, the 2007 Spanish 1 euro coin with a minting mistake, and even a few oddball commemorative coins. If you're serious about coin collecting, keep your eyes peeled because there's always a chance to find your next big treasure. So, let's say you find one of these rare coins. How do you know it's the real deal? Well, the first step is to get it authenticated. You can take it to a professional coin grading service like NGC or PCGS, who will assess the coin's condition and rarity. Once authenticated, you can either keep it in your collection or take it to auction where collectors are eager to be ID'd. So, there you have it. The 10 euro cent 2002 from Germany value and story. How a simple 20 euro cent coin from Germany, minted in 2002, has gone from being worth just 20 euro cents to an incredible $5 million. If you think that's impossible, stick around because we're about to uncover everything that makes this coin worth such a staggering amount. You won't want to miss this. Before we get into its insane value, let's start with a little history. The 20 euro cent coin is part of the European currency system, introduced in 2002 when the euro was first adopted by several European countries. Germany, known for its strong economy, was one of the key nations in this transition. The design of the coin was carefully chosen, with an image of Germany's map and a prominent European theme on the obverse. The reverse, with the denomination and stars, features a typical euro coin style. Most 20 euro cent coins are relatively common. But in 2002, an important detail was overlooked by many: the mint mark. This letter indicates the minting location of the coin, and in this case, it corresponds to the Berlin Mint in Germany. However, due to a significant miscalculation, only a small number of coins with this mint mark were produced. This error is part of what gives this particular 20 euro cent its unbelievable value today. We'll talk about how this happened shortly, but here's where things get interesting. It turns out that the Berlin Mint produced fewer coins than initially planned, and due to the mix-up, only a handful of the 20 euro cent coins stamped with the mint mark were released into circulation. The official records show a minting error. Around only 70 of these rare coins were produced instead of the hundreds of thousands that were intended. These were not noticed at first, and their rarity was overlooked for many years. But this error made the coin exceedingly rare, and as collectors began to recognize the scarcity, demand grew. In 2020, an unknown collector sold one of these rare 20 euro cent coins for a mind-blowing $5 million. This astronomical amount completely shocked the numismatic world. But how did a 20 euro cent coin jump to such a value? Let's break it down. Rarity, error, and the increasing interest in European currency collectors all played a massive role. The combination of historical significance and the fact that this coin was the one with the elusive mint mark made it highly sought after. Coin collecting is an art, a hobby, and for some, a business. But the market for rare coins is volatile and driven by collectors who value scarcity, error, and the story behind each piece. Many people who are new to collecting don't realize that a seemingly insignificant coin can turn into a multi-million-dollar asset. Understanding the factors, like minting errors, rarity, and historical value, is crucial when it comes to investing in coins. And this rare 20 euro cent is the perfect example of why collectors often pay astronomical amounts for seemingly everyday coins. Now let's take a closer look at what makes this coin special beyond its minting error. The design, though simple, has a significant connection to European history. The map of Germany and the iconic stars on the reverse represent the unity and shared economic strength of the European Union. With its small size and relatively low value when first issued, no one could have predicted that this coin would one day become one of the most coveted pieces in the numismatic world. That is so. How can you tell if your coins are rare or valuable? First, look at the mint mark. Coins with certain letters or stamps, especially those from specific mints, are often more sought after. For instance, the Berlin Mint's stamp can make a coin significantly more valuable. Second, check for minting errors, as even a small misprint can increase a coin's value exponentially. Lastly, always consider the year, as some years of production are rarer than others. That if you're lucky enough to own a rare coin like this, you may wonder how you can cash in. The auction world is one place where these incredible coins are sold, and often, high-end auctions can help you get top dollar. But it's important to do your research, verify the authenticity of your coin, and find reputable auction houses or dealers. This is how the $5 million 20 euro cent coin made its way into the hands of a lucky buyer. Isn't it incredible how a simple 20 euro cent coin can be worth $5 million? If you happen to have one of these rare coins in your collection, or even in your pocket, you might be sitting on a gold mine. Remember, numismatics is not just about money, but about the history. 5 euro cent 2002 German coin, which is now worth a jaw-dropping $5 million. Yes, you heard that right. A 5-cent coin worth millions. In today's video, we'll break down exactly why this coin has skyrocketed in value, how to spot one, and what makes it so unique. So, let's dive in first. Let's take a look at the 5 euro cent 2002 coin. When this coin was first minted, it was simply one of the many standard coins in the euro currency system, released as part of the first series of Euro coins in 2002. The design features a simple yet elegant depiction of the German map and the word Germany in the national language. But what most people don't know is that this seemingly ordinary coin holds a secret that could make you a fortune. In this segment, let's talk about what makes this particular coin stand out from the rest of the millions produced as part of the first series of Euro coins. The 5 euro cent was minted in Germany, and most of these coins are still circulating. The composition of the coin is an alloy of copper and nickel, making it relatively easy to find. However, there's one crucial detail that makes some of these coins extremely rare. In 2002, the German mint made an extremely rare error during the production of a small batch of these 5 euro cent coins. Normally, these coins feature the European Union's standard map on the reverse side. However, in one rare case, a small group of coins was mistakenly struck with the wrong design, a version of the coin showing the wrong map of Germany. This error wasn't spotted immediately, which is why these coins didn't get pulled from circulation. The coins with this error are incredibly valuable because very few were made. In fact, it's estimated that fewer than 100 of these error coins exist today. So, imagine finding one of these in your change. Now, you might be thinking, okay, how does a small minting error lead to a $5 million price tag? Well, the answer lies in rarity and demand. Coin collectors, especially those interested in error coins, are willing to pay a premium for something that's both historically significant and hard to find. So, how did this 5 euro cent error coin go from being worth just 5 cents to $5 million? Well, like all rare collectibles, its value has increased over time as collectors have sought out rare and unique pieces. Back in the early 2000s, no one really knew the value of this error coin. It wasn't until a few eagle-eyed collectors started noticing the discrepancy in the map design that the coin's worth began to climb. In the past decade, this coin has been sold at several high-profile auctions. One of the most famous sales occurred in 2017, when a single 5 euro cent 2002 coin fetched a whopping $5 million. Why such an astronomical price? Because the error coin was not only rare, but it also symbolized a significant mistake in the euro currency history. To some collectors, it was a once-in-a-lifetime find. The fact that the error was discovered so late in its circulation also contributed to its high demand. These types of rare coins often appreciate in value because of their limited supply, and people are willing to pay top dollar to add them to their collections. Over the years, the value of this coin has only risen, and it has become one of the most famous error coins in the world. Now, let's talk about how you can identify if you have one of these error coins. Not every 5 euro cent 2002 is worth millions, but there's an easy way to tell if you've found one of these rare gems. The key is to look closely at the reverse side of the coin, where the map of Germany is depicted. If you see a mistake in the shape of the map, or if the borders of Germany seem off or out of place, then you might just have an error coin on your hands. The most noticeable feature of the error is a mismatch in the borders of Germany, and sometimes the map itself may look slightly blurred or distorted. You might also notice some subtle changes in the engraving of the coin. So, if you come across a 5 euro cent from 2002, take a moment to inspect the map of Germany. A slight mistake could turn a simple coin into a potential fortune. The discovery of this error coin has had a huge impact on the world of numismatics, or coin collecting. It has not only increased the value of similar error coins, but also has heightened awareness about the importance of small details when it comes to collecting. Coin collectors around the world have started paying more attention to small discrepancies in coins, which has led to more people seeking out rare finds. In fact, the sale of this 5 euro cent error coin has inspired many to look for similar coins with potential mistakes. Some believe this coin could set a new trend in coin collecting, with more error coins commanding top dollar prices in the market. Now, if you found one of these rare coins, or if you're looking to buy one for your collection, where do you go? One of the best places to find rare and valuable coins is at online coin auction platforms, such as eBay, or specialized numismatic auction houses that deal in high-value error coins. You can also visit coin shops or attend coin conventions, where you might find a dealer who specializes in rare coins. Just remember to always authenticate your coin before buying or selling. And there you have it, folks. The 5 € 2002 error coin is a shining example of how a small mistake can lead to a massive fortune. Whether you're a coin collector story in today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most fascinating stories of rare coins and their unexpected value. You might have a 2 € coin from Germany, minted in the year 2000, sitting in your pocket right now, and you won't believe what it could be worth. Yes, it could be worth up to $500,000. But is it really true? Stick around, and let's explore everything you need to know about this coin's potential value. Let's start with the basics. The 2 € coin is part of the European currency system, introduced in 2002. But what's important today is the special 2 € coin minted in 2000 by Germany. It was produced as part of the pre-Euro release campaign, which makes it a significant piece in the world of numismatics. It's small, bronze-colored, and not particularly rare at first glance. So why is it worth so much? Let's find out. Before we go any further, it's important to understand why this coin from 2000 is so special. The euro was officially launched in 2002, but before that, Germany, like other European nations, issued coins that would later become part of the euro system. The 2 € from 2000 is part of a very limited mintage, as most of the coins were produced in 2002, with the earlier mintage being much smaller. This small batch immediately sets it apart from later versions, and collectors love rarity. So, here's where things get interesting. The German 2 € coin from 2000 is extremely rare. In fact, only about 40,000 of these coins were minted. If you compare that to the millions of coins produced in later years, this makes it one of the rarest versions of the 2 € coins. The rarity, combined with its historical context, significantly increases its value among collectors. Now, let's talk about how to identify if you have a valuable 2 € coin from 2000. While these coins may look similar to other 2 € coins, there are some key differences you should look for. First, check the mint mark. The German 2 € from 2000 features a unique mint mark under the number 2. It is the letter D, which represents the Mint of Germany in Stuttgart. Next, examine the condition of the coin. Like with any collectible, the better the condition, the higher its value. Look for signs of wear, scratches, and tarnish. Coins in uncirculated condition or near mint condition fetch a premium price, so you might be wondering, how much is this coin really worth? While the value can fluctuate based on demand, condition, and market trends, as of now, the 2 € 2000 coin from Germany can sell anywhere between $100 to $500,000. Yes, you heard that right. $500,000. But let's break it down. Most of these coins will not fetch such a high price unless they are in perfect, uncirculated condition and possibly have an auction setting that creates a bidding war. That if you think you have one of these rare 2 € coins, how can you sell it for the best price? The first step is to get it appraised by a reputable coin dealer or numismatist. You can also explore auction sites like eBay, where rare coin enthusiasts often come to buy and sell rare pieces. Make sure to provide clear, high-quality images of your coin, highlighting the mint mark and its condition. You might be wondering, why do some coins become so valuable over time? The value of a coin depends on several factors: rarity, demand, historical significance, and even the condition it's in. In the case of the 2 € from Germany, its limited mintage in the year 2000, combined with the growing interest in euro coins as a collectible item, makes it highly desirable. So, there you have it. The 2 € 2000 from Germany might be just a small coin in your pocket, but its rarity and historical value could make it worth thousands of dollars, or even more. Make sure to check your collection or coin jar, as you might be sitting on a small fortune. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the world of rare coins. Until next time, happy collecting.